Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
All right. So today we are going to be doing an art project that has a little bit of science mixed in with it. We've got a project where we get to do Puffy Paint. So my friends have already created their blueprint. They have already drawn what they want to paint over. Can everyone show the camera what they have drawn? So we are going to do a snowy themed snowman art and craft. We're using 3 ingredients to make our puffy paint. I'm going to steal yours real quick. So we are going to use 3/4 of a cup of shaving cream, 1/4 of a cup of glue along with a paintbrush, 1/4 of a cup of flour. These are all ingredients for single use, for single person. But if you're going to be at home and be making a big batch, you can use 3 cups of shaving cream, 1 cup of glue, and 1 cup of flour. So my friends, you can take your flour, which is this loose powdery, and you can dump it in your bowl. But make sure you don't do it over your paper. Yep, you can put it in your bowl. Go ahead, my friends. You can use your paintbrush to mix it. I know, this is going to be very messy. That's why we have had our smocks.
It smells Cheerios.
It smells like Cheerios. What else do you smell?
It smells like Sour Patch Kids.
Oh, Sour Patch Kids. That is an interesting scent.
I need mine.
Okay, keep going. Yep, dump it in. Scrape it up from the bottom and then put it up like that. Here you go. Yep. Scrape it up from the bottom. We gotta make sure that everything comes up from the bottom and mixes in together. Yes, Sanjay, you are right. When you think you are good, you can start putting in your glue. You might want to use your paintbrush.
I think I'm good for now. Look at my paintbrush.
Okay, and mix it again. Oh, I like that, Amina. Good job. You know, you could use your paintbrush.
This is what I want to do. It looks like slimy.
Oh, I like that. You say it feels slimy.
It's slimy. I'm going to give it my paintbrush. Then putting my paper.
If you think you're ready, put it on the paper. Put it on the side that you colored.
We need more shaving cream.
Well, I'm going to give some to Sunday.
I said my mom called my name. I did it. It's not called shaving cream. I think you need more glue on here. The shaving cream is right there. Okay, so that's the shaving cream, okay? Want some more? Let the kids do it. I think I'm ready to put it on the side where I draw.
You need to mix up your shaving cream a little bit more.
You'll see it, my hand?
We needed some more glue.
Let me see. You guys will fingers this too.
You could start painting. Sanjay, try to make what you colored, okay?
Okay, I can put my paper now.
And what did you make, Nico?
I made a snowman.
Ooh, and how many sections of the body did you make?
Only snowballs.
Well, how many snowballs did you make?
3. I got
I do see that, Amina.
Look, I made buttons. Look, I made buttons.
You're doing a good job. Okay. Oh, you can get some little lemonade. It might be the shaving cream that you're smelling.
Yeah, that's nice.